The Trop Club and Casino is undergoing a complete makeover. The estimated $1 million investment on the Tropicana Casino is set to offer players state-of-the-art atmosphere. Once the doors are opened, it will transform the way gambling takes place on the island. The construction work for the Tropicana Casino started at the end of October. It is a complete renovation project for the resort's casino, which includes the restaurant. The restaurant will specialize in gourmet burgers, and it will offer guests the most option for draft beers. It is necessary to improve the casino facility in order to enhance the players' and hotel guests' experience.
It was a demand of both. They needed a more modern, they wanted to see a more modern casino, what we're doing right now, and as well, a place where they can place their bet, in this case with sports betting. We'll be the only place on the island where you can have a sports bar, where you can have your dinner, your burger, your beer, and at the same time place your bets in one place, under one roof.
The construction work is scheduled to be completed by January 16, 2015. The Tropicana team is glad to see the renovation take place.
We needed to bring a more modern concept to our property, and the guests itself were asking us for this as well. So they wanted to see the new machines, the latest that's on the market. So putting all together, we said, hey, we have to redo, and not only the casino, but the whole building itself.
Fritz Maduro, the contractor on the job, says the design of the restaurant and casino will put Trop Club and Casino on a different level of playing field.
It's gonna be a real industrial look, which you don't have in any casino right now. Okay, so mostly everything gonna be exposed to the eyes. You're gonna see alu zinc walls, black ceilings, and with the lighting, it's gonna be a new experience.
Wilfred and Fritz say in order for Tropicana's casino to remain competitive, an upgrade was necessary.
It wasn't really in need of a renovation. To look around, you have other casinos in the area. You want to have a competitive way with the other ones. So the renovation is really an important part for the casino.
Well, if you want to compete, you have to invest. The guests, the local guests and the international guests, they know about the casino's business and all that, so they expect the latest. If you have a casino, they expect the latest brand on your floor.
When the Trop Club and Casino, as well as Double Down Restaurant, opens its doors in mid-January, guests will see new slots, new table games, and a brand new concept. There will be daily specials and live entertainment.